Hello, dear children. On behalf of the management, I wish each one of you a very happy Children's Day. Dear children, you are the best thing that has happened to me in my life because each one of you reminds me of my lively, lovely childhood days. So, cherish and keep memories of these days. In the end, I would just like to say that you should all thank your God, your parents, and your teachers for the lovely life that you have got. And one more thing for the elders, I'm sure each one of you will agree when I say that these children have taught us to be happy for any reason or for no reason.
Children spread joy and happiness in all seasons. They spread the fragrance of love wherever they go. They are the most beautiful, the most adorable, and the most precious creatures of God. I wish all my lovely children a very happy Children's Day. Spend this day with unlimited fun and frolic with your parents, although we'll be badly missing the fun we used to have together on this day.
Through all these years of teaching, one thing that is more than certain in my mind, that each one of you is a unique bundle of talent and potential. So trust me when I say you can do wonders. On this Children's Day, I wish you all the success in life. Keep smiling and enjoy the day.
A very warm wish for every kid on this very special day. While we teach our children what is life, our children teach us what life is all about. And it is so true. You have taught us all how to smile through this pandemic. So today, let nothing dampen our spirits and let us all celebrate this day with love.
Together, may we give our children the roots to grow and wings to fly. Each child is a positive asset and a precious natural resource which needs to be cherished, nurtured, and developed with tenderness and care. On this special day of Children's Day, I wish all my students that they soar and reach new heights, reaching all perfection and achieving excellence.
तुम्हारी हर सफलता में हमारा हाथ हो, तुम्हारी हर मुस्कुराहट में हमारा साथ हो। थक कर रुक मत जाना मेरे दोस्त, इतिहास के पन्नों में भी तुम्हारा नाम हो।
Dear children, a big hello. Here's the balance sheet of your life as at forever. May courage be your land and trust the building block. You patent your patience and make wisdom your trademark. Invest in determination and with the capital of hard work you embark. Honor your own acceptances and let gratitude be your attitude.
Of course, we are missing celebrating Children's Day with you in school. But believe me, the excitement around the day still remains the same. We wish you all the happiness, stay happy, stay joyful, and hope to see you soon.
God bless you all the success in life. May all your dreams come true. Children, you are very dear to us. We love you all. And today we are celebrating Children's Day as well as Diwali. So wish you a happy and joyous Diwali.
May you have a bright future with every ounce of happiness of the world. Enjoy your special day.
Hello children, you all know about Control C and Control V command and have also used it very frequently. What I am going to tell you now is not a result of that. Yes, you all want to grow up and become big and successful in life. But trust me, once you become an adult, this phase is what you will cherish and miss the most. Just being a happy and carefree school child is the best phase in one's life. So Be happy, enjoy this phase, and get the most out of it.
This is a special day, and moreover, a day which brings love and happiness all over. Because if you are happy, we are happy. Children, each one of you is gifted in a special way. Thus, you are the reason of pride of our nation. My heartfelt wishes are with you. May God fulfill all your dreams. You always remain healthy and happy.
Maybe your teachers, but we have a lot to learn from you, especially how to love all our hearts and how to demand all our hearts.
रोने की वजह न थी, न हंसने का बहाना था, क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े? इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। अक्सर बच्चों से कहा जाता है कि जिद न करो। फिर क्या जिद करना इतना बुरा है, या फिर जिस बात के लिए जिद की जा रही है वह बुरी है? जी हाँ, जिद का होना एक गुण है, बस इसकी दिशा सही होनी चाहिए। बच्चों, ये कविता आपकी। जिद करो कि दुनिया बदल जाए, जिद करो कि दुनिया बदल जाए, जिद हो ऐसी जो हालत को सही कर जाए। सहरा में नदियां जो बहने लगे, बंजर धरा भी हरी हो जाए। जिद हो हर भूखे को रोटी मिले, जिद हो ऐसी जो रोते को हंसा जाए। हौसला दो किसी की टूटी उम्मीदों को, हाथ दो किसी के थकते कदमों को। जिद हो जो आंधी में दिया जला दे, जिद हो ऐसी जो रास्ते के चट्टानों को हिला दे। हर बात सिर झुकाकर मान लेना बुज़दिली है, हर बात सिर झुकाकर मान लेना बुज़दिली है। कई बार जिद करना भी जरूरी है। जिद हो कि सत्य ना छिपे कभी, जिद हो कि सत्याग्रह न रुके कभी। जिद करो कि हर हार जीत में बदल जाए, जिद करो कि कठिन सरल हो जाए। जिद करो अनेक एक हो जाएं, जिद करो बदी नेक हो जाए। जिद करो कि तारे ज़मीं पर उतरने लगें, ख्वाब किसी के पूरे करो कि कोई तुमसे भी प्यार करने लगे।
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day celebration that is as beautiful as you all are. Celebrate it and take a pledge to grow up to be ideal citizens and work for the betterment of the nation and world. God bless you all. Now it's time for some splashing fun and jolly times. A small token of love.
A very happy Children's Day.
A very happy Children's Day.
A very happy Children's Day to all my dear students.
Happy Children's Day, everyone.
My dear children, a very happy Children's Day.
Wishing all a very happy Children's Day.
I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali to you and your family members.
Wishing a very, very happy Children's Day to you all.
So here's wishing you a happy Children's Day from the child in me to the child in you.
I wish my children a very happy and joyous Children's Day. Stay home, stay blessed.
Wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Very happy Children's Day to all of you once again.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर नाल समंदरा दे फिर नाल समंदरा दे एक एक मैं पूरी करा
बाजार और सड़कों पे रोज दिखते हैं। हम रोज ये सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं और सो जाते हैं। चलो देर से ही सही अब जाग जाते हैं।
फटे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना। सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।